Well, I'll build a little update. The update is there is no update. Oh, well, maybe. I got some little things to put under the cheap, very cheap. Oh, inexpensive. Let's put it that, not cheap, inexpensive. Put under the Cooper until I get a chance to put the timing chain in. I want it out of the way. It kind of rolls hard because it's been sitting for a while. Yeah, I'll have to, turn the rotors and stuff to make it a little better. So, started cleaning up. You can actually see the bench, almost. Still got to work here, still got work here to do. Cardboard creepers will stay, garbage, stuff to go out in the other shop, stuff to go. I brought the lawnmower around, I got to change the oil, sharpen the blades on it, and that kind of stuff, even though we're not going to be using it because it snowed again last night. A little bit, not bad. So, got some fiber strand. I take that down. I got son's got a door in one of his Western Stars, got a little tiny hole, and doesn't want to replace the door, so we did a little metal work. I'll put a little bit of that glass over it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, I cleaned this up. Here's a rack for the 2009. Once the sander comes off, I got the 52 on the ground. I drove it down, straight back. Steering still wanders. I'm going to definitely look into the steering box, the Vega steering box, and make a whole different setup. Steering. I'll use the original steering wheel. I'll cut the shaft. I'll put some joints in it. I'll make the necessary things I got to do. What else? Oh yeah, so I finally, after all these years, covered up the opening from one building to the other. I still got to do the other side, so I used treated plywood. I don't know, the treated plywood just doesn't look like it used to. It used to be terribly green and stay that way for a long time, but so be it. But it's cleaned up, and I don't know if you can see the little shininess, but I put a silicone caulking all on the bottom. Actually, it's not. It's a hybrid caulking or something. Better than silicone, resistant to water, dirt, all that kind of stuff. And it dries fairly quickly, real quickly. And I did all the seams. And I still got to do across here because I don't want any water getting in behind it. If I wash out here, what else? The flowers are looking pretty bad because it is March and they really want to be outdoors, but they can't be. Oh, this one's coming back pretty good. This one's doing pretty good. The oldest one that's flowering is like 6 years old. So, what else have I been doing? We will talk about this one in the next short video. Another Mustang. Got Mustang fever. Oh, did a bunch of cleaning up back here. This is all better. Reorganize that. I got to get up on top of there. Ooh, let's get up there. 3 minutes. Let's get this done. And I got to do some reorganization of that. Those are OCC Schwinn choppers, Napa bikes that I picked up. Had them for a long time. One's brand new, never been ridden. One has been ridden. The one out front is brand spanking new, and I have the box for it that it came in. All the documentation. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they just look good hung on the wall. Okay, see you soon. I got to pick some garbage up, bring the tractor around. And, oh yeah, I fixed that corner right there, and I got to do a little more cleanup on it in that area, and I've already caulked it. So I didn't do treated wood there. I never thought of it. I should have extended the brick wall around, cement block wall around when I built the garage, but I didn't. Hindsight, always better than regular sight. So, okay, see you soon. I'll have an update on the gray ghost sitting on the other side here. See you soon. Hopefully winter's over and hot rods come out.